Hey everybody, welcome to day 5 of self-defense instruction. Today's PowerPoint and lesson is going to be a little bit more fun and more interactive with you, but your assignment might be a little bit tougher to understand, so make sure you watch this video all the way through and hopefully I can answer some questions that you may have. All right, so for today, I thought this was pretty funny, although this is not what you're doing. You will be using a partner today. Task 1, you're watching this video. Task 2, you're going to go through today's PowerPoint. You'll need a partner to practice with and have some fun. So we're going to click right here for the PowerPoint. All right, it's going to take us to the fun pad / bag boxing workouts. Okay, so it's going to be about 20 minutes with videos and with the practice time that I've put in there for you guys today. All right, so you're going to need a partner. Use a couch cushion or a thick pillow or something for a punching bag and make sure your partner has it below their face, and then a strong stance with bent knees when they're helping you out today. So to start, we're going to work on the jab, cross, and hook punches. We're going to learn those techniques and those good habits. All right, this is a 7-minute video, and it's going to teach you some combinations, which is what your assignment is. So make sure you watch this video and get some good ideas from this video. All right, and then we're going to go to the front kick, side kick, reverse side kick combinations. Again, this is like your assignment tonight. So make sure you're watching how they flow through their combinations and think about how you can implement that tonight. You're going to practice this combination that they're showing you in this 20-second video 15 times. Okay, try to get good at it. Try to get a good flow going. All right, then we're going to talk about how to get some power behind it. It's a 4-minute video there, or some gusto, as Mrs. Olson says. All right, so give that a try. And then we're going to put it all together. So there's a 2-minute video here, kind of watching them put it together. And this is what you are going to be doing with a family member. All right, so you're being careful, no contact aside from the blocking. After you've practiced with your family member, we have today's assignment. Okay, so it's a video submission. So you got to be creative. What you're going to do is you're going to upload one video. Okay, within this video, you need your name in 2 different combinations. So combination 1 has to be a sequence of 5 things that you've learned from today, 5 moves. Okay, and then once you've done your 5, you're going to come back and you're going to do combination 2. Okay, it can be the same 5 moves if you want, but they have to be in a different order or a different sequence. Okay, it can be 5 totally different moves. That is up to you, but you just have to have 2 different combinations. Okay, so again, you're submitting this all in one video. And within that video, you need your name, combination 1, which is going to be 5 moves of your choice in a row. And then you're going to do combination 2, which is going to be a different sequence of 5 moves in a row. If you have questions or don't know where to go for your moves, go back to these videos from class today. There should be plenty of examples in there for you. All right, once you have made that video, the instructions are right here again. Okay, make sure you upload the one video in this tab by 11:59 tonight.